Today's 2-minute tutorial is on how to make a holiday ornament. So we're going to go to our toolbar on the left-hand side, and underneath the rectangle tool, you will find the ellipse tool. Take this and click, hold, and drag with your mouse on the artboard. Hold down the shift key to make a perfect circle, and then release. Next, we're going to amp up the color here so you can see it better. I'm going to pick green and red and make the stroke at 10 so you can see the stroke. Then I'm going to go back over to my toolbar and grab the scissors tool, which is underneath the eraser tool. And you will find an anchor point at the very top of the circle. Click it once. And you will find an anchor point at the very bottom of the circle. Click that one once. Next, we're going to switch back to our selection tool and move this piece out of the way. We don't need the left-hand side. We're just going to focus on the right-hand side here. And this, we're going to go up to the Effect menu, 3D, Revolve. We're not going to touch anything in here. We're just going to click on Preview. And boom, we have a circle. Say OK. And it is a little Christmas ornament. It looks good. I might want to put a little cap on top like Christmas ornaments have. So I'm going to come here and actually let's make the cap be a yellow color because they're usually yellow, gold, or silver, whatever. And I'm just going to draw a little shape here. Back up to the Effect menu, click Revolve again. I can just do it right from the top. Click Preview again. There's my little shape. Say OK. I can change the shape after the fact if I want to adjust the circle here. The cylinder, I can adjust my original rectangle shape to make it shorter or wider or fatter. And if I want to change the color on it, I can just come over here to my stroke and pick a different color. White will give me a gray color because of the shadows there. And there we have it, a Christmas ornament that you can adjust. Arrow keys will move the little piece up and down. And I like it. Perfect. See you next time.